Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Christina Barker and I'm here to represent a ballistic armor company. Our purpose in life is to stop bullets and bring the men and women home for dinner that you expect to have there. One of the ways we do this is we provide lightweight ballistic panels. They can go on just about any surface, but our main focus is on aircraft, both rotor and fixed wing. We've been in business since 2003 stopping bullets, but our company has actually been in business much longer than that, for 20 years. So we have a staff of experienced individuals with an aviation background. We understand the words AOG on the ground, and we've got to get it turned around and fast, and our staff is ready to accommodate that. Everybody's got to have a mission statement, right? So Kinetic Defense designs, develops, and sells ballistic protection systems for special mission airplanes and helicopters operating in a hostile environment. Our lightweight BPS protects flight crews, passengers, aircraft, while allowing for the maximum aircraft payload and mission performance. Kind of like what you saw today in the operators outside. You get in, you get out, and you get home. Unlike our major competitors, we develop a relationship with installers, operators, and create designs and tailor specifically to a customer's aircraft and configuration. We deliver high quality, customized, and consistent product for fit, form, and function, and we deliver on time. Our product is mill tested to the 810, as well as we have ballistic tests for both B-50, as well as the, let's see, I'm trying to remember the acronyms there. I forgot that. Oh well, we'll get on with that. The nice and fun thing about what we do is on Fridays is Test Shoot Friday. So our products are constantly in development for both us as well as our products and our customers. I get to play on helicopters for a living. It's the best job that there is out there. And on top of that, I get to bring people home. Our engineering staff incorporates just a handful of experienced individuals, but outside of that, the consultant group is here to help with 8110-3s for installation of products. In the short term, I'd like to give you guys a video that talks a little bit more about some of the customer testimonies that we have. I think Dawn's working on that. Are you ready? Maybe not. Technical difficulty. Oh, well, they're working on that. Our products range from 2 pounds a square foot to 6.5 pounds a square foot, and product from NIJ level 3A all the way up to 54R. You good? All right, let's see what else. Product specifications. Our product is currently on platforms known as the 61T, 61N. We're on the Huey 1 as well as the N model. We have fabrication on the Beech 1800 as well as the Basler turbos. We've been working with the Department of State as well as we've been working with a qualified product in the U.S. Navy. We have over 300 outfits out flying currently in configuration, and our product is delivered in Afghanistan, Iraq, Pakistan, Colombia, and in Peru. So we have a history of product in the field, in operation, and bringing folks home.
Christina and I were doing an installation at the State Department facility in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and we met a pilot who had flown missions in Colombia, and he described a case where he had flown a mission and taken two hits in the door right next to him, and he said, you know, the ballistic armor saved my life. And suddenly it wasn't just an engineering problem anymore. Suddenly it was much more real than that.
I am fortunate that I work with Ballistic Armor because at the end of the day, I get to meet people whose lives have been affected by our product. They tell us that it's stopped rounds and they've come home, and that is the biggest thrill I can get, because I know that there are mothers and there's fathers and the wives and brothers and sisters and children who are blessed to have those families together because they could come home, and that's pretty big.
For the last 20 years, we've been building the foundations of a good business. We have achieved the AS9100 quality certification, and now we're ready to take that to the next level. We have the equipment to do structural composites. We are learning how to build propellers. We're wanting to advance our game in the ballistic armor business. We just see possibilities in all directions. was a hardware store in Mineral Wells, Texas that had a big sign painted on the side of it that I loved. It said, "We're big enough to serve you and small enough to want to." And maybe that works for us too. We're big enough to serve you and small enough to want to.
We're not a big company that has to fill out Form A, B, C, and D before I can even answer you. We just walk in and say, how can our passion meet your desire? The faith that our customers have in us to pick up the phone and know that we're going to respond is what we've built for 20 years, and we're going to continue to do that.
Thank you. Are there any questions on how I can help solve your problems? No? Oh. I thank you for your time. Enjoy the rest of the show. You have a good evening.